Home Minister Govindas Konthoujam has vowed to urge the centre to implement NRC before conducting the census, exuding confidence that central government leaders will hear the voice of the people in the state. He was speaking as the chief guest at the 35th Manipuri Language Day observance held at the auditorium of the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. The observance, held under the theme State Song Sanalaibak Manipur for Peace, Unity and Integrity, was also attended by Lamsang Constituency MLA Sorokhaibam Rajen, Langthabal Constituency MLA Karam Shyam, former Lok Sabha MP Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan and the composer of the state song Aribam Shyam Sharma. Speaking further, Govindas called for collective efforts to foster the Manipuri language, adding that language plays a pivotal role in the progress of a society or a nation. He expressed pride in the state having its own original language, noting that many other states lack a distinct language and rely on borrowed elements. Govindas claimed that the government is making sincere efforts to include Manipuri among the classical languages of India. The Home Minister also highlighted the crucial need for all communities in the state to responsibly preserve its cultural heritage.
Manipur si emotion da sattaba reason amasung fact da akoi base auraga chatpa oiraga di akoi si leiriba confusion oiriba pot na masing si akoi loina resolve tawba ngambani aduna yaren khai asi mangal sing beriba ojagaru sinna akoi gi naharwan sing da so emotion da hek chatlo duna akoi da mang ata kayama thokpa adu akoi amaga so ingsina da ba thokpa kayama leba sing se asi Mohan Binanaba, any forum Mamada, Naharon Singsi, Unsimba, Santi Porona Honavada, Puna Gaita, Lomina Raga, Santi Leva, Masai, Sana Leva Manipur. A single Sana Leva Manipur, so Honavada, Puna Saruki Aminasi have Wafum, Karasi comes a Bogolana, Kuntraga Taruk Suba Manipuri, language day, La Kadori Matan is a yes, Soidana, we get Simulava, Yamas of Toksaningai, whatever. Manipuri language asi classical language sanbang amnaba soidana sarkarna sohona jage prajana su sohojok to biu haiba wafamsi kamjau mayam kuno ko yangna amukan.
Meanwhile, responding to media queries on the sidelines of the event, Govindas Konthoujam claimed that the government's decision to enforce a 3-day holiday for educational institutions was aimed at ensuring students' safety.
Delhi, si mayam honorable MLA sinada MLA sim sasatwi akoi tongan ba akoi sarkar gi dana tabako akoi party level gi mayam akoi unajagani aduga mayam gi sentiment mayam gi apamba akoi gi lebak si mang gi na ba akoi group si indigenous people sing si mang gi na ba ko yang kan hona jagani aduga soidana su Hazabala Jay Madadi, Tarigum Khara Sarkana, Tokana Have. Security Singayamba, Royal of something security sings the Yakupa Pounds and the low the Hadopus Tenate. Hey, my heroic sings so the Iran Makari Masiara Kanda. Police Nakari Matana, Konobo, Sopa Mamang, Point and Langar, what a moibudo. I do a so open Langar, Sakana was state.